What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RDR, and welcome to RDR Food Reviews. And today, obviously, I'm at Dairy Queen. I came to Dairy Queen today because it is super duper hot here in Texas, guys. Super duper hot. It's got to be at least 100 plus degrees to get today. Probably 105. I don't know, but it's probably one of the hottest days ever. Today is not a food review for hamburgers. Today is not a food review for chicken strips or any of that. Today is my first food review for ice cream. And so who better to do ice cream than the ice cream gods themselves, Dairy Queen. God bless you. So I came to Dairy Queen because they have new blizzards of the month. And one of the new blizzards of the month that they have is called the Salted Caramel Blondie Brownie Blizzard. Okay, it all flow together, but you get what I'm saying. The Salted Caramel Blondie Blizzard. It's got all kinds of components, and it's something that can really cool your boy down in this sweaty hot Texas day. And it's my first ever ice cream review. So what I'm gonna do, without further ado, before I die of heat exhaustion, I'm gonna get the new Salted Caramel Blondie Brownie Blizzard, and we're gonna get into this review, and we're gonna see what Dairy Queen's talking about. All right, guys, one sec. All right, guys, this is it. The Salted Caramel Blondie Brownie Blizzard. It's gonna be kind of hard for me to get this good look on it and whatnot, but if you can see, it's got some salted caramel, and it's got some chunks of chocolate and brownie into it. And you see the sun trying to melt my coolness right here. And so, like I said, this is the new sub of the month for here in July. And yeah, so you know, it's that time to give a good ice cream review for Dairy Queen. You know, like I said, you know, they're very famously known for making the custard, their ice cream, their blizzards is famously known worldwide. And on a hot day like this, your boy had to get something to cool him off. So, you know, I had to come here to Dairy Queen to see what they was talking about, you know what I'm saying? And plus, who doesn't like salted caramel? So anyway, without further ado, this is the new sub of the month. What's wrong with me? The new blizzard of the month for July for here at Dairy Queen, the Salted Caramel Brownie Blondie. See, I got it right there. Well, let's get into it because your boy needs to be cool off. Here we go. Look at that. Oh man, Jesus, man, Joseph, I needed that. As soon as I hit this, man, like my temperature, my body temperature just instantly it just went down, man. It went down a couple of notches and stuff, man. Like, it's so hot, man. To crank up this AC, man. Sorry, I'm gonna turn it down a little bit, but man, your boy gotta get cooled off, man. This is helping, but what helping even more with some good old AC action. As you can see, man, you can see that some of that salted caramel and the chunks of the brownie right there. Try not to put too much in the sun. Got that drip action going on right there. The ice cream, I don't want to have it always dripping. But you see that brownie right there? And them chunks of salted caramel? It's all working together right now. Hold on. Let me go ahead and get another one. The saltiness of the caramel. The salted caramel complementing these chunks of brownie, the sweet chocolateness of the brownie. Which a blondie brownie, I've never had one of them before, but it's working for me, man. Look at that. The sun out here hating hard today, man. The sun is really hating. Oh man, you see how it's hating, man? It's over here destroying this beautiful blizzard, this masterpiece. All that hate, man. Gotta give me some napkins. Yeah, man. I like that Dairy Queen's doing these sub of the month. You know, this salty caramel, it reminds me of Heath. You know, maybe it's a bunch of toffee or whatnot. Reminds me a lot of the Heath candy bar. It's creamy. It's thick. I like the thick ice cream. That's, like I said, that the sun is hating to try to melt this beautiful masterpiece that Dairy Queen has blessed me with. Oh man. Like I said, this is one of the other subs, but it was something about salted caramel, which I love, man. It just intrigued me. Let me see if I can dig one of these. And I love that they give you loads of it, man. They just give you loads. Loads of ingredients. I said it's thick, it's creamy, salty. You get the combination of the caramel, the toffee, and the brownie. It's just all working, man. Let's see, man. Get one more bite into this. Look at that. Chunk of that Blondie brownie right there. A bunch of these big thick chunks in it, man. All right, man. I'm starting to come down in my body temperature. If I could give a scale, refreshing. If I could give a scale 1 through 10 for the new Blizzard of the month for July, the salted caramel Blondie brownie Blizzard, I'm gonna give it a 9. I'm gonna give it a 9, man. The only thing that's hating hard is the sun. It's melting this beautiful masterpiece. You know what I'm saying? It's just hating hard. I'm gonna give it a 9. I'm loving the sweetness, the saltiness of the caramel, the toffee, the brownie, the thick chunks, a bunch of ingredients that they give you, man. I'm just loving it overall, man. It's a great it's great to have on a super hot day. I mean, here in Texas, where it's always almost in triple digits, I can't imagine how it would be in Arizona right now. But it's a good compliment to have on a nice hot day like this. So go to Dairy Queen, tell them that your boy RDR sent you, and you go get one of the new Blizzards of the month, the salted caramel Blondie brownie Blizzard. Tell them that your boy RDR sent you. Go and get you one of these guys so you can cool off on a hot day wherever you may be. All right, guys, so that's my review. My Dairy Queen review for the Blizzard of the month, one of the Blizzards of the month. Like, subscribe, follow. Let me know what you guys think about this new Blizzard. So keep following the machine. Your boy RDR is going to keep going strong for you guys, and I will see you guys soon. God bless. Take care. RDR signing out.